Where it's nice and safe, all right? Huh?
Keys. I want keys.
No. Daddy needs these to drive the...
Oh, God. Give me the key.
Oh, no. Here.
No.
Here, take that.
No.
Leave it there for a little while. No. I need these.
I want keys. Keys.
Okay, here. All right. You wait right there, and I'll be right back, okay?
What's wrong? My kid! Hey! Stop!
Someone just stole my car with my kid in it.
Hop in.
Thank you.
Let's go get that son of a bitch.
Man, my wife is gonna kill me when she finds out about this.
My advice to you is don't tell her a word. I left Bobby Jr. at an amusement park one day, told his father he was at summer camp, bought me a week. Hello? I'm on my way. I'll be there in about 5 minutes. I have the cupcakes. Yes? No, I didn't forget you. She didn't tell me. Don't talk to me that way.
Excuse me?
I'm hanging up.
Oh, my God!
I'm hanging up. On the road, moron!
Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's do this.
Oh, wow, you are really upset. You know, it makes me feel so good to know that there are people out there who care as much about the safety of their kids, as I do.
Mommy.
Just 1 second, honey. I'm fixing my makeup.
What? I think someone did a duty.
Oh, wait. No. Wait. We're gonna... excuse me. Truck. Excuse me. A truck.
There you go. Can you hand me the powder, please?
What? No, stop. Whoa.
No, I got some die. Oh, my God. Oh, God.
You put your little boy back.
Let me out.
Suspect got away! But the kid's okay!
I'm away. Yay! I want my dad.
Thanks for everything.
Oh, by the way, I run a carpool if the little one ever needs a ride to preschool.
That's my kid. Are you okay? Huh?
Son's okay, but, car's totaled.
Screw the car. As long as he's okay. I'm sorry, man. Sorry, little buddy. I would never want anything to happen to you. I love you, man.